Guess what, guys? I got a Fittonia cutting, and I was like, I want more plant babies, please. So I got these little peat pellets, which are like these cute little sleeping bags for plants. I put the pellets in water and then took off some of the bottom leaves of my Fittonia so it could grow more roots. And then I put my Fittonia in the peat pellet sleeping bag, and it was ready for nap time in the mini greenhouse. I made sure my Fittonia had enough light, warmth, and water, and then it started growing like crazy. It was so exciting. After a couple of weeks, it was time to give my Fittonia a new home. So I got some dirt and made it really tight in the pot so there wouldn't be any air pockets. Then I put my Fittonia in the dirt and gave it a good drink of water. If you want more plant babies too, you should totally try propagating them. It's like having your own little plant family. Thanks for watching my video. If you're enjoying them, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Happy propagating!